So we're inside the Sherwood Park main floor renovation here, and we're in this old dated kitchen. You look around and yeah, it's definitely time for renovation. I mean, you have cabinet doors on the ceiling. This place is just in a desperate need of a renovation, and that's why Priority Builders is here. So we're gutting this entire half of the main floor. And there is actually going to be this beautiful large island kind of going down the middle here. All new cabinets, quartz countertops. There's going to be beautiful custom range hood there. One of those nice, really nice wood ones. And some white oak floating shelves right here, white oak floating shelves right there. And a ton of cabinet accessories. So all those pullouts and those garbage pullouts and utensil racks and all that stuff. This kitchen is going to have everything. Double oven's going to go right here. And then just over on the other side, fridge, and we're going to extend everything through. So this is going to be an unbelievable designer's kitchen. And I can't wait to show you guys and walk you guys through the progress. Older homes don't have light. Just look around. Where's the light? Like, there's literally no light in this area, right? So like, look at this. There's one little light fixture right there. That's not enough for this space. So we're gonna add like 10 pot lights, sweet dining room fixture right here. And what we always do is we always add more light to a space than's needed. And the reason why we do that is it's always good to have more than too little, right? And the way we mitigate that with that super extra bright freaking daylight is we put a dimmer switch on. So that way you can just move that little dial up and down to wherever you want it. Whatever brightness, whether it's the brightness of the sun or you want it dark and dingy like a cave, you can pick. And if you're like me, probably put that thing all the way down to the bottom. I wake up at 4 in the morning and I gotta wait for the coffee to kick in before I really brighten it up. So we are in the living room here and we're gonna be talking about flooring. So we are replacing this vinyl plank flooring on the main floor, but you can see underneath here, we've got some hardwood flooring. And you're probably thinking, well, are you guys gonna rip out this hardwood flooring? And the answer is maybe, okay? Right now in this area, I'm looking at this flooring and it is super stable, it is secure, it's not squeaking, it doesn't have any issues. So 100% we can just install the new vinyl plank flooring right over top of it. And now you might be asking, well, why would you do that? Why wouldn't you rip it out? And the reason is cost, okay? Everybody has a budget with a renovation and everybody has a specific number. And if we start ripping out all this flooring that's underneath, even though there's no issue with it, all of a sudden the cost goes up because we got to fix the subfloor underneath and we got to do some patching. We got to do this, that, the other thing. But with that in mind, once we pull up all this vinyl plank throughout the entire main floor, and if we find an area that 100% has to be pulled out, the bottom layer of flooring, it is what it is. It's going to be extra cost. And just in case, you should always have a contingency budget. Worst case scenario happens, you find something. I mean, you watch HGTV, right? Make sure you're prepared and make sure you're prepared for the worst. Some things are to be determined and ripping out this floor is one of them. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and make sure you leave a comment below. I want to hear from you. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.